shareholders just learned today, while I'm in Slovenia, that there might be an offer for the Mercator share capital of more than 50% of the shares, and Mercator is the biggest Slovenian company. I must say that Euro shareholders is very pleased with this news, if it is confirmed, of course. We fully and will publicly support this sale of more than 50% of shares, because we believe that is really the interest of the small shareholders. And I think it is also a unique opportunity, not only for Mercator small shareholders, for all Slovenian individual shareholders and for Mercator itself, but beyond for Slovenia, to show that it is adopting best practices and best standards for corporate governance, for the protection of minority shareholder rights. And this is quite important today, as there is an open consultation by the European authorities on the corporate governance of public issuers. And so this is why Euro shareholders is very pleased with this news and will fully support and publicly support this option, which in fact is also the one from our Slovenian member, the VZMD, the Pan-Slovenian Shareholder Association.